What do you tell Evans?
I got the beggar more.
No, all of us they make Evans now. That Evans when say
now it's make sound off.
Now the guy vex, he make sound off.
No.
Evans not vex, now play. Now play, not be saying now play.
We use the yeast.
Now gist, you just the gist, not vex. Now back to you, Tim Godfrey.
Not be quarrel.
You don't marry?
No, I never marry.
Why you never marry now? When you want to come marry?
You calm down. Me answer now.
No, I'm taking this in personal.
Yeah.
Why you never marry?
I know they don't marry. Don't get two children.
No.
Now they can't pose the show everywhere. Everybody
what they want you. Don't die. He don't go. The girl go finish him.
Yeah, I did.
You did.
So what? It go happen this year.
You don't see person you go marry.
Would they see the look? When we see them, we also do this.
So why you say this year?
Wait. Now a quiet person.
No.
Hey!
Which kind of choir now?
No, so now where you meet the girl?
I say when we see the person.
But you say this
year. Why you can't say no?
This year it will happen now sharply. I've been seeing this month, marry next month. And they do all those 1 year, 2 years. No, I don't get part of all those. People they pretend for 10 years. So if I see a 1 year, anybody.
So which kind of woman do they find?
Like you.
Yeah. No.
I am.
You can't find me. You can't find people like me.
Why not find people like you?
Nedu.
So are you a bad person?
No. I'm a spirit feel somebody.
Now back to you, Tim Godfrey. Now, I did like ask gospel artists this question. Why it be say more attention they on secular music, and secular music they make more money past gospel music? You now on your own, you go say you do gospel. I be an inspiration you do. I be which one you go like put yourself?
Well, see how I put them. Because people don't abuse that and say, gospel people, hunger don't beat them, then go rush, go secular. Hunger they beat me, God don't bless me well. As in,
and you they satisfied with God blessing.
They okay, God don't bless me. So, but the thing they say, gospel really, for me, not be genre.
Okay.
And a message.
Okay.
But people don't box and up, say one style
of music.
Because if Timaya sing good song, anything where he sing way better, where they help people life better, now gospel. Now what think Jesus can do with that? So it depends on the vehicle way they carry the message. So if now love songs, Jesus preach about love, teach about them. If now to help people, in talk and say, are they for prison? You know, are they hungry? You know, give me food. If now even praise and worship, you talk about anything we talk. So now different different ways of taking this message. So anybody do love song, no be bad song, it be. I mean, so if I do love song now the way I want to carry the message, go with that. If I do praise and worship, now the way I want to carry, but they don't squeeze everything saying must be praise and worship. If you don't be praise and worship, then no be gospel. So that's why that praise and worship now, no platform to push the music, no play. If not be for church, no if you go anywhere, go do anything. So and Jesus no send us go church.
Say go into the world.
True, you don't. You know send us go church.
You know send us go church, but people don't turn, so they will come squeeze
some people feel say to go church every Sunday now go make them enter heaven.
As much as say they important, say they at least go to hear the word of God, but nobody will carry go heaven with that. Now your relationship with God.
Exactly.
So if I decide now, so I call myself artist, but I be born again Christian.
Okay.
But I be artist who go fit do different styles of music. Okay. So tomorrow I go fit release a song where I do with somebody. I don't do it.
If it be rock.
If it be rock, if it be love, if it be to talk about, if it be dance, party, for heaven, no lip, like bedu go they happen for heaven. If you know Sabi, if they do wanka for, if you reach heaven, now what do you want to do? When jams go they go on.
So now people like IzzyBeat, they go make her for heaven.
IzzyBeat go blow for heaven. IzzyBeat go like this because IzzyBeat go turn up for heaven. He go in that class.
This is the way you talk now. Say okay, I don't see him. You see that gospel song where Terry G do? What's me that song? You know, say I never see any church where they sing that song. Maybe they say maybe not because of Terry G.
It get where they follow judge some people too. That's why I don't like to judge people. Because those people, then they're very influential. If you know carry them come close, then go to imagine all the young people with the next generation now.
Yes.
If you don't bring those kind of music, because when you go some teenage church like this now, you they play all those Jesus, they know they want to hear because waiting then they hear every day for their life. Now either they hear Banky or they now waiting they hear every day. So if you don't bring good songs, we get that sound.
Yes.
We get that move.
That person where they like.
If you go some party now, you're gonna hard to find, even though say we don't they get now, because I don't release plenty songs where we say they get that groove, jam, everything, hip hop, everything now. So people then got come to the light, say even this one what they do now to carry that same message with the fighter, say what are you doing? Say where you are, you know they here, you know they. This is my music, my music, my tool what they use. I fit bring the message, put them anyhow.
If you say na jazz, you want put them into today. If you say na rock, you want put them today.
So if and the bad part we say it's easy for somebody like Terry G to even do gospel self. People go to say, okay, they go still play them for everywhere. But if you be Christian now, do that same thing. If you can't go, they don't go answer you.
Exactly.
So that means people
Tim Godfrey, they sing, you can only run. You go there somehow.
They'll say what's important. If you even can't go some station self, they go sit and say, you know, and they don't take them, they reject anything gospel. They don't go play them anywhere.
Yes.
So the point be say, at the time people say I be proud Christian and they hide my identity. But my music career, what they do like this, I'm still Christian but a different package. I they drop on a different way. I love songs, na Christian songs, na motivational songs. Anyone want to do, I go do. So people got taken like that, and we need those kind of songs because
now,
if your children now, which songs they go listen to?
True.
You know, go let them watch
and
TV
the kind of song where they come on these days, whining, smoking,
women naked. In fact,
with the coco.
When they pay me pass, we say why we say if they never show naked women,
they never do anything.
And that time when we they show that this kind of music video, but you know they see say they show.
We're not to get time again. Less than 2-3 minutes. Now, make I ask you, would they expect album from you anytime soon?
Yes. Before like that guy we talk before now, Tim Godfrey and Extreme, they bring out things with them, but Tim Godfrey now they come out as artists.
As an artist, not be with Extreme.
Not be with Extreme. Tim Godfrey and Extreme still do one side, but now as artist of his own. So my music style now different from waiting. That's why they hear this collab. I mean, Scale enjoy. Scales, if you hear the music, fantastic.
No, Scales.
Finish.
Everybody shout everywhere.
If I say my hotel, I'm making carry in voice. When he wants
people, they even pray.
Make it carry in voice. Go put for freezer.
If you go all these blogs, people they talk about at first people they hear say this is the best thing you have done.
No, Scales do well.
So now the way I want to do, I don't do something with Banky before.
Yes.
So that one are champions. We are champions. Yes. Not be bad song now.
No.
Banky so very bad.
Now, in 1 minute, I will pause. Our time don't finish. Hey, they done the right name on top. Never talk finish. They done the right name.
Let me talk.
Hey, guess or no?